Hello everyone, welcome back. One of my viewers made a comment asking me about a trigger jamming issue that he was having on his Lynx 12. He was shooting heavy loads, I think like 3-inch shells, and he had not adjusted the gas valve, and basically his trigger was not resetting, it was jamming up, okay? And without, being able to open up his gun and look into it, I recalled somewhere around 9,000 rounds. This gun here has got about 15,000 rounds on it, all birdshot mostly, like 99.9% birdshot. So somewhere around 9,000 rounds, I had an issue with the trigger jamming up, and what happened is I opened it up, right, and what I saw, right, this is the rubber stopper that basically sits in the back over here behind your recoil, or rather in front of your recoil spring. And basically when the bolt comes back, it hits this thing and it kind of cushions it. Well, as you can see, this is the one that had from around 9,000 rounds. You can see there's a little piece missing there, right? See how it came off? All right, so what had happened is a piece of this rubber came loose, and it basically got caught up in the trigger group somewhere, and it wasn't allowing the trigger to reset. So this was just a simple issue of debris in the trigger group. Okay, now I had gone up to about 9,000 rounds. The person that made the comment, he said that the gun was relatively new. But he did say that he was shooting really heavy loads, and he had not adjusted the gas valve. So, yeah, I guess there's a possibility that even with a low round count, if you're, if the recoil, if the bolt is basically slamming back into the back of the gun, and I suppose with heavy loads, it could start chewing it up rather quickly. So this is what I would look for, right? The first thing I would look for, if you're having a problem with the trigger group, getting jammed up, look for debris, particularly from this rubber stopper in the back. And if you see that it's getting chewed up like this, get a replacement, or rather than just replacing the rubber, just get. I mean, obviously, if the recoil spring is new, you're gonna get a replacement rubber. But if you have a decent round count on it, probably just get a whole new recoil spring and just change the whole thing out. If your gas valve is set right, usually by the time the rubber starts wearing out like this, it's probably time to change the recoil spring on your Lynx 12. So wanted to kind of put that out there. And again, I had experienced this, I think about, I guess 2 years ago at this point, and one of you guys out there posted this comment, and which reminded me of that situation that I had. And I hope that this is the answer, and there is in fact some debris in there, because that's really easy to clean out and get the gun back up and running. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not a member of the channel, subscribe, drop some comments if you had similar experiences. I'll talk to you guys soon.